County ma Homa Bay pod ni kod peke kedo kod landro kute mag ayaki ka koro nonro yango ni rowere kind higni 14 nyaka 24 medo gamo kute go eko. Nonro makamano yangore romo mane obagi kod riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mong'ere kaka Liverpool Voluntary Counseling and Testing kotudore kod sirikand County ma Homa Bay. Landro kute mag ayaki nyaka sani ochung' ata malo 16 ka report bende yango ni moingo ji 138 ni kod kute mag ayaki kama thothgi gin rowere kind higni 14 nyaka 24. Jatend migawo mar thieth e County ma Homa Bay Roslyn Omolo owacho ni sani gikedo gi duoko chien landro kute mag ayaki go eko.
The counties that has a very high burden of HIV and AIDS. So we just called this conference so that we have, we are calling it continuous quality improvement. We want to know what is the other facility doing better than the other, and how can we share, how can we support each other internally without having to leave Homa Bay to go to another county. As we speak, the number of cases that are on ARTs and HIV active care management is 138,000, which is a big population if you consider that the population of the county is 1.2 million.
Number one, ensure that those who are on care and treatment continue and adhere to the drugs. Then number two, we cannot forget about the structural issues. How do you ensure that this child goes back to school? How do you ensure that we economically empower this cohort that is a problem? And then, of course, this disease or this scourge is a behavioral disease. How can we continue the social and behavior change communication among our communities?